There's one nation on earth that loves fried chicken more than anywhere else. Yep, y'all guessed it, Australia. All that greasy flavor's good for the soul, but it may not be so great for the heart. So Philips sent chicken connoisseur Callum to create some delicious fried chicken without the fat.
G'day, mate.
Callum, welcome to Kentucky. Come on in.
All right, Rod, so I want to show you, mate, my way of doing great tasting southern fried chicken. We pop it into the buttermilk, give it a little toss around, and then it's into some not so secret herbs and spices. Quick spray of the oil and we're ready to cook.
And this is where I'd normally put the chicken into the basket, into the deep fryer and let that oil do its work, but apparently not today.
Say hello to my little friend. This is the Philips Airfryer, and it basically works by circulating hot air rather than immersing the food into oil. So it can be up to 90% less fat, but you get the exact same crunchy, crispy texture that we all love.
Well, that's got to be good.
And we just pop it to 200 degrees, 20 minutes, and just you wait, mate, to taste this chicken.
That's it.
That's it, easy as that. It's been about 20 minutes. Should we go have a look?
Let's go.
You got my attention, baby.
But how's it taste? With the new original recipe, we thought the fine people of Kentucky should be the first to try Philips air-fried chicken.
Right, I hope you're hungry.
We are hungry.
Now, these fine people knew they were getting fried chicken, but we didn't tell them it was air-fried.
Rod, this tastes like the real thing. It's amazing.
Oh, the skin on that chicken's really nice and crispy.
This is delicious.
Go on, try some Philips air-fried chicken.